Basta kayo mga ka-Michael Narix na nanonood sa inyong mga social media. It's me, the Grandmaster himself. May kasama ko mula sa Gustacalos Collaboration. I hope you have a new and exciting episode for the most of the Super California. Welcome to another episode of your Season 3 of Michael's Kitchen Perfect. Nandito po ako sa SM Narix Premier para sa isa na namang bagong episode dito. Tell us about Viking.
SM Lanang Premier is one of the best and the biggest mall here in Davao City. This restaurant is called Vikings. A feast from the sea is only exclusively for SM malls only. Vikings is the absolute best buffet experience in the country, featuring a cornucopia of flavors that can't be found elsewhere. Gather up your friends and family and embark on your greatest food adventure yet. Be merry, eat hearty, and eat like a Viking today.
So halos ang mga pagkain dito, marami dito sa Vikings. Mapa-international man, Asian or European, US, kahit saan pa gusto nyo, makakain dito sa Vikings.
This restaurant has 11 branches in SM malls here in the Philippines. Mapa-Filipino, Japanese, Chinese, Korean, European, Mediterranean, or American man. Basta pagkain, sigurado.
So maghanap ako ng makakain dito sa aming pwesto.
Starting up with our Caesar salad made from Vikings. And for my main course,
Can I have some Cajun roast beef, please? Yung medium rare.
yes, my all-time favorite Bavarian roast beef, cooked to a perfectly medium rare.
Wow. This is so gonna be perfect. Can I have the breast of Cajun roast chicken? Thank you so very much. Choose your pick any way you want and you decide for this one and only Bavarian roast beef and Cajun chicken. Pili na ako. I choose the mushroom sauce. Ang peppercorn sauce para sa Cajun chicken. That's it, guys.
May dinagdag ako ng chili, cold cuts, and mogok soup. Our star of the show is Bavarian roast beef, Cajun chicken, and side dishes.
What a nice serving of this very own Vikings meal. Kasi graduation at celebration ng aking pinsan. So, let's start with mogok soup. Looks like creamy. So, let's get try. Wow. It's beefy. It's tasty. Eggy. Kind of Cajun. So, the best. Na walang kapares. Parang lasang soup number 5. Next up is the one and only Caesar salad with croutons, chili, with a dressing, ranch dressing. Meron tayong cold cuts na cheese lang at biscuit. Starting off with their own Viking Caesar salad. Oh wow. That was a comparison of my very own Caesar salad here at home. Next up is the chili. A kind of cake, kind of spicy, a kind of sweet, a kind of tangy. That is so very good. And the cold cuts, that was meron siyang Roquefort na cheese, para siyang blue cheese na lasa. Can I have try with crackers? Tastes like junk of cheese. Next up, the cheddar and the mozzarella. So incredible. Walang kahirap-hirap ang lasa ng cold cuts. So we move on. This is it. This is really is it. This is Vikings Bavarian roast beef, Cajun chicken with a side dish of potatoes, carrots, and green beans. Let's get try it. Take a look at this meat. It's so ready. It's so tender and it's so medium ready. It's kind of melts in your mouth. Oh, motherfucking wow. That is extraordinary. Tender, delicious. It's so medium ready and it's so delightful. Let's give it up with the potatoes. So cinnamony, so nutmeggy, so salty, a little bit with the finest of them all. The carrots is so moist. Just like like a rabbit. And here, the green beans, so tender and most greenest of them all. Now that's incredible. It's bland, it's so tender, and it's so unpredictable, and it's so amazing. And lastly, let's get try the Cajun chicken breast with a perfectly sauce. Let's give it a taste. Cleanest bone. Wala akong masabi. Kapag may Vikings ka, it's impossibly a mid-range expensive food. Like never forget, right here in SM Lanang Premier.
For my appetizers, I eat some seafood spaghetti marinara, cheesy penne pasta, and calzone.
Hi miss, mukha kang K-pop.
For my drinks, a personal favorite, pineapple carrot juice. And for my dessert, a spectacular 2-flavored bread and butter pudding.
It's so moist, it's so bready, it's so puddingy, it's so saucy. Next up, we have another pudding here. That was incredible. That is so satisfying. Like an expensive dessert like ever made here in Vikings. So this is pineapple carrot juice. Hindi na kailangan ng ice. It's so sweet, so refreshing, and it's so carroty and pineapple-y. And that is a complete meal.
Many of customers have been reached the secret weapon of our own lives. This Vikings restaurant has opened for lunch and dinner. Kapag may banding-banding kasama ang pamilya at barkada, mapa-birthday, mapa-reunion, or kahit anong okasyon, Vikings ang tawag nyo kapag may kasama ka.
At sana nabusog kayo sa ating episode 17 ng ating season 3 ng Michael's Kitchen Perfect. Nagpapasalamat kami sa mga Pulgerinas, sa Camus, Bate, Baguio, pati na rin ang mga Huamil, mga Chua at Bastet family, Bangkale at others. Thank you so much for watching all over social media, and this has been the Grandmaster himself, Michael sa Camus po. At naniniwala ko sa kasabihang tayo ay forever, mga ka-Michael Narix. Happy to be with you guys. Mabuhay. Saludo po kami sa inyo. And God bless.
DJ.
Let's go!